Hello, Luis. As I said over the phone, my name is Nasos Georgalis. We are from Epilysis Solutions here in Charlotte, just like you. And we are working with remodeling companies all over the country. And as I was doing some research in our area, I came across an ad in Google, and then I checked your website. We are doing this customized video about how you can beat out your competition online, and since I don't want to waste any more of your time or mine, if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how I can help you bring on new customers, give me a call. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them and see how they work out for you. So let's get started. The three different topics that I'm going to cover today with you is content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures are also saved with a name that is also considered to be content readable by the search engines. So if we do a save as here, we can see that house remodeling in Charlotte, you have your phone number, outdoor cleaning services you're utilizing correctly, and you are using a keyword for your picture. Content, though, in our front page should be typically around 1,500 to 2,000 words. And although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what your front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. If we look at your page word count, we can see that you have 358 words, which proves what we usually come across with, that content is something that the web designers overlook. So the first tip that I want to give you is that you need to make sure that you have more relevant keyword-rich content that is unique on your front page so that the search engines can help rank your company as high as possible. The second thing that I want to go over with you has to do with citations. And if we do a search here in Google about remodeling Charlotte NC, and we go to the map section following the search query, we basically see those three listings that are known as the Google Map Pack. You're going to get about 20% of your total calls just by being in one of these three places. And you do that by using citations, which are essentially your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. If we take a look at a special tool we have here at the agency, we can see that for the keyword search kitchen remodeling Charlotte NC, you come up with 6 citations, whereas we find competition that has 59, for instance, fireplace and granite distributors. Case design remodeling of Charlotte, they have 46. So what would be tip number 2 is that in order for you to beat out your competition and be on the map pack, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, get in those same directories, and then add a little bit more, because that is kind of what matters the most as how to rank your company here in the maps. Also, another thing, because we need to have a common name, phone numbers, and address in the Google Map Pack, I recommend you to have in your name to have something about remodeling. Because cleaning, when I saw it, I thought you were only doing cleaning. I didn't even cross my mind that you were doing remodeling. And also, instead of having 2 phones over here, you can have one electronic phone that rings in both phones. So if you have 2 users that using the different phones and you want both of them to have access with it, I can help you get one electronic phone and have one phone there, and also all the calls can be recorded. You can go back, you can see what people are saying on those and everything. So that's another thing that I can help you with. Now, the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. And backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps over here. And basically what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page. By using a tool that we have here at the agency called Ahrefs, we are going to see all the different websites that you are currently linking to you. You obviously have a new website, so nothing is linking to you yet. So let's take a look on some of your competition. Let's see at the guy who is topping this query. This guy is the Fabian Remodeling. So this guy, he's got 100 referring domains, giving him over 746 backlinks, and he's getting found for more than 1,000 keywords as a result, that are bringing him 604 people on average to his website each month. If we click on his keywords over here, we can start picking those that are relevant to you and which you would like to go after. Because as I said earlier, in order for you to beat out your competition online, you just gotta rank for more keywords and in higher places like them. So we can go and see where he's positioning himself as number one, and we can go and search for low keyword kitchen remodeling Charlotte. You have a volume of 40 and a keyword difficulty of 2. He's in position number 1. This is a keyword that we can go after. That's the cost per click if you have an ad with these terms. So with you can spend $400 and get all the competition, all the ads that are related to these words when people are searching for this term. You have Charlotte Home Remodeling, Kitchen Renovation Charlotte 20 with a keyword difficulty of 1. He's getting 9 searches out of the 20. So this is kind of what you do when you're picking up your keywords. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how I can help you grow your business and bring you some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you today. And just if you wouldn't mind, drop me an email and give me some feedback on how I did here. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I will follow up with you soon. Bye-bye.